Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad. I'm a trader. I'm trading Forex, CFD, and stock markets and cryptocurrencies since 2009 and 10. My strategy is divergence using price action and important levels to have confirmation on divergences. By levels, I mean imbalance levels, liquidity levels, support, resistance, supply and demand. And in this channel I'm going to explain all these things. I will do very basic trainings like the trends, the candles, everything that you need from the beginning to the very final things that I know. I will share everything I know about divergence and supply, demand, price action, everything. You just need to be patient and follow with the videos I'm going to post. My main interest is in blockchains and cryptocurrencies. Honestly, I love them. I love the anarchy. I love the way they work and the engagement they have comparing to other financial instruments. But the market cap and the market depth of blockchain and cryptocurrencies is not that big enough to focus on, so I prefer to provide analysis on gold mostly and sometimes the stock markets, but we won't forget the blockchains and cryptocurrencies, and I will try to do some Bitcoin and other major currencies, and also I will provide some fundamental information that I may have, and I share them with you about these projects. Thank you for watching this, and please be subscribed in the channel. Please keep on following us, and refer us to anyone that you think that might be interested in the same content.